Hello, Carrot Crew, and welcome to day 20 of Traveling with RRRabbit China 2025. Before we jump into the adventure today, don't forget to subscribe and tap the notification bell so you don't miss the upcoming episodes. Alright, let's get started. So I'm going to two places for activities today. First place is the Yu Garden or Yu Yuan in Chinese, which I mentioned in the outro on day 18. Hopefully, I can get ticket entry to the City God Temple, or in Chinese, Chenghuang Miao, Shanghai, as well, because I couldn't find where to book it online. Hopefully, I can get some footage of the two places. Okay, so there's a quick history about the Yu Garden. Yu Garden was first built in 1559 during the Ming Dynasty by Pan Ringduan as a retreat for his father Pan, who was a government minister. After failing an imperial exam, Ringduan began his project to honor his parents and bring them joy in their later years. The word Yu means pleasing and satisfying to one's parents. That's why Yu Garden is also called the Garden of Peace and Comfort. Construction stretched on for almost 20 years, finally completed in 1577 after Pan Ringduan's term as governor of Sichuan delayed progress. So that's the history of Yu Garden. Okay, we're about to head out now, so I'll see you once I get there. Let's go. Okay, so I'm in near the Yu Garden. It's on the street. 那个怎么导航呢？ I'll see you guys once I reach the ticket gate. Okay, we are at the Yu Garden now. Just letting you know, Carrot Crew, I've been to Yu Garden before in 2018. That was before I started my YouTube channel, so we're lining up to get to ticket checking, and I'll talk to you guys later. After visiting Yu Garden, we are now visiting the City of God Temple, or in Chinese, Chenghuang Miao. Unfortunately, I cannot take any footage inside the City God Temple, so no footage will be shown. Okay, we've finished visiting City God Temple. We are now okay, so it's time for some lunch. Okay, so I bought tea from Han Chun so it's the low quat and snow pear tea. So let's have a taste test. It's nice and tasty. Okay, I'll finish this off and talk to you guys later. Okay, so the place I'm having for lunch is called Cooking Pan Shanghai Yu Yuan store. I've ordered 3 items: crab soup dumpling, pan-fried buns, and pork chop with breading. So that will come soon. So talk to you guys later. These are the items I have for lunch. It's the pan-fried buns, the crab soup dumplings, and pork chop with bread. Okay, lunch is done. Okay, so I'm back where I'm staying in Shanghai. So that wraps up day 20 of traveling with Rabbit Challenge 2025. Tomorrow, the place I'm going is going to be super fun. I'm going to Shanghai Disneyland. Please drop a comment what appropriate souvenirs I should buy in Shanghai and where to buy it, as I will start hunting for last minute souvenirs on the 4th of November before I head back to Sydney in 4 days. I will share how much I spent today after the outro. As day 19, I didn't spend anything, so nothing to show for day 19. Before I go, don't forget to like this video, subscribe if you haven't already, and tap the notification bell so you'd be the first to see the next adventure. Thanks for watching, Carrot Crew. I'll see you soon. Bye for now.